Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name is Aboiji 001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my video, to watch the video, and to learn to be the first person to learn. Seriously. Before we started this week, before we started to analyze the trade, let's just greet ourselves happy new week. And I pray may this week favor us, and may we be successful, profitable in our trading journey, and in any other skills we are into. Let's just be focused. This month is a lost month for me, seriously, because my $10 close to $15 that I used to push every month, it has rolled down. So I gas fund another $15 or $10 this next month we are looking into. So let's quickly we are just because in this financial market, this is financial market, and as a financial market, you do not expect anything. Just react to what market give you, and whenever you react to what market give you, just um just place your trade. If it goes in your favor, definitely, because you don't know the outcome of what market is going to do, because this is a probability game, and we do not predict, we add to what market give us. And since we follow our direction, we follow the price action, definitely the market is going to favor us. But this month we use, due to the news that is happening, and due to the war that is happening between Iran, USA, and Israelites. I think the markets do what you want to do, because my analysis are good sometimes, my but so, and I promise myself a trade in a day, or two trade in a week. If I lose certain amount, definitely I'm not trading for that week. That's what is happening. But I pray this next month we are looking onto is going to favor us. And I kindly beg you, since you are seeing my video, kindly stay to the end to learn one or two things. And if my video pump into your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe also, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. And stay to the end to learn one or two things from it. Seriously. Before we start our analysis, you already know we started from fundamental analysis, which is we go into our Forex factory to see maybe there is high impact news or there is no high impact news, so that we can know how to stay away from the market before the news, and we can know how to get into the market after the news. Today is Monday, this is 30th of March 2026, and this is around 3:30 we have USD news, which is Federal Chair Powell speaks. He's going to speak, but let's read the high impact news. They say the usual effect said, if more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. If the news, what they mean is that if the news is favor the is more than what they are expected, is good for the currency. And this is the news. This is the what we have. This is what we have in the news today. So let's just move into the chart and see what the chart has for us, so that we can see what it has for us. You already know I started from gold. I started from gold to see what gold is doing. And this is XAUUSD, which is monthly. This is our key level. You already know we started from this is our key level. This is our key level. This is our key level. This is how you can see market broken into this is our key level. And this is our key level also. This is our key level also, and this is our key level also. So let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening on weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is what is happening on weekly time frame. This is our key level here. This is our key level here also. You can see this is what is happening. And let's see, because this is our last break of structure on daily time frame. This is our last break of structure on daily time frame. You can see this is our last break of structure on daily time frame. And let's just see what is happening on daily time frame. On weekly time frame, on weekly time frame, which is our key level, this is our key level on weekly time frame. This is our key level, and these are last break of structure. You can see the key level here, and these are key level support. These are our key level resistance, and this place is our key level also. But since we have plotted the key level here, we will not let it much. It is much, but let's see if we said, if you use Fibonacci retracement for this market, this is what, this is not close to 50. This is not close to 50%. So definitely the market is in here because there is FEG. You can see this FEG here. This is where the market is. There's FEG here. This is where the FEG is. We are having FEG on weekly time frame. This is where the market is. Seriously, you can see the FEG. This is where the market is. All these ones are liquidity market sweats. So definitely market has those liquidities. Definitely we gas. This is our last break of structure again. If this does not hold this, definitely market is coming to this monthly key level. So it will retest and come to this key level. Let's just move to let's move let's move to let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is our swing low. And you can see what is happening. This is our liquidity here. This is our this is our liquidity. This is our liquidity here. And this is what the market is giving us after market mitigated this place. Market mitigated this weekly FEG. Definitely the market is trying to retrace up. But let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours time frame. This is for this is 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of short on 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of short, and this is what I block. So let's see. Sorry. Let's see. This is the supply that's pushed the market down 4 hours time frame. This is the supply, and this is the break of structure. So this is 4 hour supply time frame, and this is the what? This is the last break. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. But what we are having now, we are having internal break of structure. You can see the internal break of structure here. This is the internal break of structure here. And what we are having what we are having we are having minor supply. This is minor supplies for me. It's not major supply. This is minor supply for me because the market is in the structure. You can see it's in the structure. You can see the swing low and the swing is in the structure. So after market mitigated this, I think market mitigated this FEG. Market mitigated this FEG. After market mitigated this FEG, so this is what we are seeing. You can see what market is trying to do. So if market broken this split, will full body candle, it will retest and go in our favor because this is the main supply on 4 hours time frame. This is the minor supply on 4 hours time frame. So let's just be looking at this minor supply if the market is coming down. This is what we are having. This is what we are having. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. And this is what we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. African market mitigated this FEG. Is trying to push it down. But what 1 hour time frame is giving, 1 hour time frame is giving us uptrend because this is the because we are still having break of structure here. We are still having break of structure here, and we are having what other block here. This is the other block that's pushed the market up. This is the market that is trying to push the market up, and this is what we are having in the market. This is the internal break of structure, and we are having market mitigated this other block here. Market mitigated this other block here. So let's wait if you can see break of structure to uptrend again. Let's see what is happening on this side market. This is the last break of structure, internal break of structure here. Internal break of structure here. And we are having what? Change of character here. Internal change of character. We are having internal change of character here. And market mitigated this place. Definitely, if we see break of structure, definitely we'll be looking for FEG over here. We'll be looking for opportunity FEG over here. But market has not given us what clear structure. This is what market is giving us. Market is giving us object, but let's see what is happening. This is what we are still happening, but let's see what this supply is going to do because market is trying to go back to the 4 hour supply minus supply. So if market break that 4 hours minus supply, definitely it will retest and continue the uptrend. So let's move to XAG. Let's see what XAG is trying to do. This is monthly time frame on SAG time. SAG. Those are the key level here. You can see these are the key level here, these are the key level here, and these are the last key level here. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. This is our key level here. So this is XAGUSD, which is gold, which is silver, sorry, silver USD. So let's move to what is happening on silver USD. These are first key level here. You can see this is where market adjustment. But these are key level again. This key level does not hold it. It does not hold it. But what we are looking at, this is our last break of structure. We have to break of structure on this weekly time frame. Last break of structure. This is the break of structure. And these are another break of structure here. But this break of structure is not what? It's not As for me, it's not strong because it does not retrace at 50%. A strong break of structure must retrace 50% before it move up. But you can see market does not retrace 50% and it has FEG. It has FEG down. So this is the FEG market mitigated. This is the FEG market mitigated. This is the FEG. You can see this is the FEG market mitigated on weekly time frame, which means weekly time frame is telling us that we are still in what? We are still in FEG. This is the key level, but this is the main key level because this is the one that will give us perfect retracement. If we use Fibonacci retracement from year to year, you can see market is in 7 point. This is in this key level. Market swept this liquidity, but let's continue let's see what market is trying to do. Let's just follow our analysis and see what's this is weekly key level, and let's move to 4 hours key level. These are our key levels here. Sorry for that. These are key level. Let's move to daily key level. Let's see what is happening on daily key level. This is daily key level, and this is daily key level, and this is what is happening. This is what is happening on daily key level. This one does not give us break of structure. So let's read this structure and see what is happening on this structure. This is our swing high. This is our swing high. But as for me, this will be the swing low because this is the perfect. All these ones are liquidity. All these internal are liquidity as for me. They are liquidity market swept in. So let's just read this market on daily time frame. If you are expecting the market to come here, definitely it's going to retrace from here. But let's see what market is trying to do. This is what market is trying to do on daily time frame. The market mitigated this FEG on weekly time frame. Let's now move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours. This is the supply. This is the supply that pushes the market down. This is the supply that pushes the market down. So this is the internal break of structure the market gave us. And we are having internal break of structure on 4 hours time frame. And this is the supply market. This is the manual supply market mitigated that's push the market down. This is the supply. This is the supply that pushes the market down. And this is what we are seeing. And this supply, as for me, it has turned to resistance for me. It has turned to resistance for me. This is the resistance. It has turned to resistance for me because market has say multiple time. This is the first time. This is the second time. So it has turned to. So let's now move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. And if you want to read this structure, you can just read this structure like this. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. Internal break of structure, and we are having what We are having what other block here? We are having other block there. This is what we are having. We are having other block here. Let's just read the structure. This is the last break of structure, and this is what we are seeing on what on 1 hour time frame. We are seeing another other block where break of structure here. Internal break of structure, and what we are seeing other block here. You can see market mitigate this other block. This is the other block market mitigated. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see if you can see opportunity of 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute time frame. This is what market is doing on 15-minute time frame itself. And this is what the market, this is the last week control market mitigated here. So for me, as for 1 hour, let's see if we can see break of structure. If we can see break of structure here, definitely we will come to this FEG to continue the what? To continue the buy. Seriously. This is what I'm looking for. That is FEG for us. And we are having what? We have opportunity here. So this is what we are having. Let's see if the buy can happen. If you see break of structure, definitely market is coming to this FEG continue up. This is what I'm saying because 15-minute time frame is not clear for me to say that I want to buy seriously. That 15-minute time frame is not too clear for me. So on good also, we look at the FEG. We take there's no FEG here, there's FEG here. This is where the FEG is. If the FEG This is where the FEG is, this small place. So this is where the FEG is. We are buying from here. This is where the FEG is. So definitely we are buying from there. Let's see if we can see opportunity from there. Let's move to US30. Let's see what US30 is trying to do. US30 is the one that wipe my wipe my $2 on Friday. Monthly time frame, let's see what is happening on monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame and this is the key level. You can see market is in this key level. You can see this is monthly key level and market is in this monthly key level. So let's see what is happening on this monthly key level. This is 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 monthly key level. So let's see what is happening on this monthly key level. Let's move to weekly key. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. So this is where the market is now. This is where the market is now. So let's see the opportunity market is going to go on this key level. So let's see what is happening. But this is the weekly level or weekly time frame. All this one eternal, I'm not plotting it anymore. So this is the key level I'm seeing, and this is the key level here. This is the weekly key level. You can see market has mitigated it. So let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is the break of structure on daily. This is the internal break of structure on daily time frame. internal break of structure on daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is the internal break of structure, and you can see this is the break of structure to uptrend. These are internal break of structure to downtrend. So let's see what we are having. Let's see what we are having, and this is the supply zone. Since since the market has gave us downtrend, definitely we must be. Let's just let's just be expecting here. So this is what is happening in the market. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is happening for 4 hours time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame, and you can see. So let's see what is happening on daily time frame. Sorry, we did not plotted our swing high and swing low. This is our swing high here. Let's now find our main swing low. To find our main swing low is going to hard for us because the market is not just giving us what is happening. But since we have seen our swing high, but the swing low is not the final leg. But let's just continue the market from here. Since this is our swing high and this is our this is our swing, the market has broken it. So definitely, let's see. We are still looking for what? We are still looking for downtrend. We are still looking for what? We are still looking for downtrend. This is 4 hours. You can see market. This is what the market do. Market respected. Market respected. So markets expected this is our daily time frame minor supply. This is not major supply, you understand? Since it's internal, the swing high and the swing low. So let's just see what the market has for us. This is 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. And this is what is happening on 4 hour time frame. We are still in that trend. As market give us this structure, we are still in trend. What we can say that we are in uptrend is if market broken if market broken this supply zone, definitely we are in uptrend. So but this is our last break of structure on daily time frame. This is our last break of structure on daily time frame. I see previous one, sorry. This is the previous internal break of structure on daily time frame. Why I lose the $2 on Friday is because I've respected the market, that market is coming back to sell this liquidity and continue the uptrend, because this has already served as liquidity. I've expected that market has touched this place, so this liquidity finish. So I've expected that opportunity as what as liquidity sweep, that market is coming, is continuing the uptrend, not knowing that market has not finished the downtrend. So this is the last this is the last break of structure. And if we use Fibonacci retracement for this market, you can see I think market has respected this. So market retraced 50%. Definitely, this rate is still strong for us to continue the what? To continue the sell. You can see market retraced 50%, which means this place what is valid for us what to continue the sell. But what we can, if market broken this to option, definitely the option has started. But let's now look this Fibonacci retracement for this, since we are selling again. Since we are selling again, let's see the retracement. So let's see if we can see because this FEG here. Let's see if we can see this sell from here. This FEG here, and this zone is what is 60, 61.7. So let's see if you can see sell from there on 4 hours time frame. You can see FEG from there. So definitely we are selling from here. This way we are selling again. If you want to sell again, this way we are selling. So our stop loss will be over here because all these places has already been mitigated. Our stop loss will be here. Let's now move to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is trying to do to correct the 1 hour. This is 1 hour time. This is 1 hour time frame. Definitely our stop loss will be here. Will be here on our what? Let's redefine this entry. This way we are selling. If you want to sell this way we are selling, but we can be buying now. This way we are selling again. So let's see 15 minutes. Let's see 15 minutes giving us opportunity. But I don't want to be taking that 15 minutes is not what the major sell is from here. Is either to wait for your opportunity. So it's either to wait for the market. Market should trigger where you see the opportunity that to be taking random trade up and down. So they one of since one of this 4 hours and 1 hour is giving me news was is giving me that trend, and on what on this on this far this is where we are selling, and this is the opportunity I see for the market. Let's now move to GU. Let's see what GU is trying to tell us. This is GU. This is monthly time frame. These are the key level of monthly time frame. You can see this is the first monthly key level. This is the what? This is the support, and it has turned to resistance. These are the support that has turned to resistance. That is why I plotted this as what? As key level, and this are key level again. You can see this are key level again, which liquidity shift. These are key level again. Let's see what market is trying to do. And of course, we are seeing what we are seeing. We are seeing break of structure to on what on monthly time frame. Let's now move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is weekly time frame telling us. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level on weekly time frame. Seriously. And these are previous break of structure key resistance key level. And this is what we are seeing. This is what we are seeing here. Uh, these are these are key level also here. All these internal key level, they are it has turned to liquidity for me, but this is the major key level. Seriously. So this is the key level that is trying to push the market up. So let's see if the key level is still valid again. Let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. These are recent break of structure, and these are previous break of structure. Um, what we are doing now, this is our what swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is what market is trying to give us, and this is what we are seeing in the market. But this is where the market is. This is the minor demand on what on daily time frame. This is the minor demand on daily time frame. Let's see if this minor demand is trying to push the market up, because we are on daily time frame. This is the higher time frame, and we must use demand. You can notice that I'm not using other block on daily time frame and 4 hours again. I'm using it as minor demand and major demand. Our major demand. This is the one that give us what break of order. All these ones are manual demand. But I'm using other block on what on 1 hour time frame. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. Let's on demand on 1 hour. Let's see on daily. Let's see. These are break of short of the downtrend. These are internal break control to downtrend. Let's see what is happening. These are internal break control to downtrend. And these are minor supply. Since you can see these are minor supply, these are minor supply. I think these are minor supply, and this minor supply is doing. And as for me, you can see what market gave us. Market has given us liquidity straight from here. You can see because market gave us liquidity straight from here. As for me, but let's just see the structure. Let's see what is happening because on 4 hours time frame, this is where the market is. And this place has turned to what? Has turned to resistance for me. Seriously, because market has mitigated this several times. One, two, three. This has turned to resistance for me. But what we are seeing now, market is in downtrend. But since daily time frame study us we are in downtrend, let's just follow the downtrend. But why we don't know the market is coming back? But you can see the market is in that demand, and that demand has turned to what? Has turned to what? Has turned to support also. You can see it has turned to support also because this is the first touch, this is the second touch. It has turned to support also. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the resistance. This has turned to resistance for me. It's not more supply. It has turned to because this supply has vicious. It has turned to supply for me. So let's see if you can take the downtrend. Let's follow the downtrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us. This is the last. This is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure here. And this is where the market mitigated. You can see market, so this market mitigated. So let's see if this is an FEG for us for downtrend. So we are still selling from here. We are still selling from because we are having FEG and they are still selling from here. Let's see if the market is going down from here. This is the FEG. You can see how the FEG is large. But so this is the FEG. What happens to the network now? So we are taking our stop loss will be over here. This FEG has not changed. This is FEG. The 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having 1 hour time. We are seeing that trend. So let's just I don't know what happened to networks. Let's like oh no service. So I'm coming. Figure out this technical analysis, technical issue. So I will be back now. So welcome back. Sorry. Yeah. I don't know what doing in the market now. The man makes you to chip off some kind something. So this is what we are having. So since we are in this manual demand, and this demand has for me is has turned to support. So let's still sell to into this demand again. Let's see if you can sell into this demand again. On 1 hour time frame, we are having sell. That demand has turned to support. Sorry. it has turned to support since it has touched it the second time. So this will be our key level. Maybe our market is trying to push it up, but we are selling into it again. You can see we are selling into it again. So since this is what 1 hour gave us, this is the opportunity 1 hour gave us. This is the opportunity 1 hour gave us. Definitely we are what? We are selling from there again. 1:3. So this is what we are having. So let's see what is happening on EU. Let's see what is happening on EU. This is what we are happy said. So on EU, this is what is happening. Monthly time frame. This is our key level on monthly time frame. You can see this is our key level, and this is our key level here on monthly time frame. And this is the last breakout structure on monthly time frame. We are still in an uptrend, but let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what weekly time frame is telling us. This is weekly time frame as for me. This is the key level on weekly time frame here. This is the key level, and this is the key level. You can see this is the key level. This is the last break of structure, but this break of structure does not give us 50% retracement before continuing the uptrend. But this is another key level. You can see you can use this key level since market has mitigated it, and this shows uptrend again. So this is the key level again. So those are the key level we have. Let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what's happening on weekly time frame. This is weekly time. This is the last break of structure on weekly time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure. This is the this is the last break of structure. This is the previous one, and we are having swing high here, and this is our swing low. And as for me, this will serve as liquidity. Seriously, it will serve as liquidity because it's the one. This is the swing low that this is the swing low that give us that swing high, and the market swept it, giving us liquidity swept. This will serve as liquidity swept. And this is the major demand. You can see the major demand market mitigated. As for me, this demand has turned to resistance for me. This demand has turned to resistance. Let's see the support. Sorry, it has turned to support for me. And this is what we are having. Let's read this structure. This is the what structure we are reading now. This is the manual supply that market gave us to downtrend. And this is the break of structure, internal break of structure, and we are having manual supply and market mitigated. This is the manual supply and market mitigated. So let's move to let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. Let's see what market is reading on 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame, and this is the resistance the market is. So we can still stay into that resistance, and this supply has turned to what? Has turned to resistance for me because market has been taking second time. So it has turned to resistance for me. So those are the key level we have on what? On 4 hour time frame. You can see the key level we have on 4 hour time frame. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structural market gave us. This is the last break of structural market gave us. And what we are having now, we are having FEG here. We are having FEG over here. And what we are having now, we are having the sell. Let's see if the sell can, if the seller can push it down. We are having sell again, to downtrend again. The sell is still valid. We are having sell here again. This way I'm selling the market is. Let's be selling the market here. So our stop loss will be here. No, that is too large. Our stop loss will be here. So this is where I'm selling again. We can still sell the market again. Let's just sell the market. Let's see what the seller is trying to push. So we are still selling from there. Let's see what the seller is trying to do for us. Maybe the sell is valid or it's not valid. But as for me, the sell is valid because the seller are still in the market. Seriously. Let's just see. This is what we are looking for. We are looking for sell on the market. So let's move to this is what I'm seeing on 1 hour time frame. Since we are seeing what we are seeing in downtrend. But what we can decide if market mitigated this resistance both on EU and GU. If they mitigated this supply, definitely we got be patient and see opportunity to buy. Maybe it's buying or it's not buying. Let's now move to let's move to UJ. This is UJ. This is what is happening on UJ. This is the last key level on UJ. You can see market is trying to mitigate it, but what the market is trying to do is not giving us structure. But what I'm seeing in the market is that I did not follow up this market. I know the analysis. I know that the market is going up, but I couldn't take the buy. And this is our key level. You can see this is the key level. This isn't our key level market mitigated. And this is the other key level market send it back. So this is our key level market mitigated to send it up. So this is our key level. This is our key level again. This is our key level again. Let's now move to weekly time frame. Since we have now our key level, this is the weekly time frame. This is our weekly key level here. So these are key level here. This key level that give us this last break of structure. You can see. This is the key level that give us this last big construction, and these are multiple key level. You can see these are key level here. So these are break of structure, these are key level here. So let's move to the daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is our swing high. This is our swing low now. And these are our swing high now over here. You can see this is the market, this is the break of structure. But market give us internal break of structure here. Internal break of structure. We are seeing internal break of structure, and we are having what? We are having minor supply over there. Minor demand, sorry. We are having manual demand over here. This is the manual demand over here. And this manual demand it gave us what break of structure here. You can see it gave us break of structure over here. This is the break of structure to uptrend again. But what we are looking up to is where the opportunity is. This is another opportunity here now. This demand is the opportunity here now. Let's see if this demand can push it up again. So we are having demand here again. Let's see if it can push it up. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's happening on 4 hours time frame. Let's on 4 hour time frame we see what the recent trend, and on 1 hour time frame we redefine that 4 hours time frame. What is happening to the network again now? So this is the last break of structure. What we are having on 4 hours time frame, market is giving this is for this is the trend on 4 hour time frame, and what we are having now, this is what market is giving us. You can see this is the uptrend, and what we are having now, we are having minor. This is what the market is trying to give us, but the market is giving us downtrend. But let's see what the market is trying to do. But on 4 hours, on what on 4 hours, this is our demand. This is where we are buying again. We are buying. This is the major we are buying again, because this all these ones are internal liquidity. They are trend line liquidity. You can see they are trend line liquidity. Markets what markets need to sweat before continuing the uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's see if this demand is valid. All these one are liquidity. You can see these are liquidity. These are trend line liquidity, market need to sweat. You can see these are trend line liquidity, market need to sweat for anything. So this is what I'm saying. So let's see if the downtrend is valid to that. Let's see if the downtrend is valid. But this downtrend has not given us structure to say that we are buying, we are selling against it. Seriously. You see we are selling. So this is on 4 hours time frame. We are having minor supply here. You can see minor demand here on 4 hour time frame. You can see the minor demand on 4 hour time frame. Let's see if you can see if this demand on 4 hour on, because we are having internal break of structure on 15-minute time frame. If you see change of character on 15-minute time frame, definitely we are buying. So if we want to take this buy, we guys see change of character for 15-minute time frame. If we do not see change of character on 15-minute time frame, definitely that minor demand is not valid. You guys be patient now. This month we are entry now. You guys be patient on this market, seriously. So you can be printing out. You can be printing out which dollar. So this is the internal break of structure. So patience is the key. If you have patience, seriously, we are going to preach huge money from this market, seriously. Since we are to the market, seriously, we are not gambling, we are just predicting, we are just reacting to what market give us. This is the manual demand on 4 hour time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame to redefine the demand. This is 1 hour time frame. If you want to redefine this demand, this is what we are doing now. Let's see if this manual demand is valid for the sell, for the what for the buy. Seriously, but we guys be patient too. If you want to take this trade, we guys look on 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, we see change of character on 15-minute time frame. Definitely, we are taking the buy. But as for now, the buy is not valid now. We are still looking for opportunity, seriously, to take the buy. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing on it. So let's see if the buy can happen here. But as I said, before we can confirm this buy, we gats be patient. We gats look 15-minute time frame. Seriously. Before we can confirm this buy, we gats look 15-minute time frame. But where we are buying, this is the major demand that for daily time frame gave us. We are buying from here. So let's move to DJ. Let's see what DJ is trying to give us. Let's see what DJ is going to give us. This is DJ also. From monthly key level, let's see monthly key level on DJ. On my network is, yeah. This is our key level here. You can see multiple key level, and this is the key level market area too. But I'm still expecting the buy to up because there's FEG here. There's this liquidity we have seen. This is the key level I'm expecting the market to mitigate. If I'm looking for key level, this is where I'm expecting the market. You can see this is the first touch, second one. This is where I'm expecting the key level. But what market is giving us now? Let's just say this is the manual key level now. On key level, you can see this is the key level, this is the key level market, and this is the key level market because this is last break to multi-time frame. Let's now move to weekly time frame. Let's see weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. This is our key level here. We can use this as key level also. This is our key level here, and this is our key level also. And this is what is happening. This is what is happening on the market. And on weekly time frame, we are having a FEG here. Well, let's see daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is trying to tell us. This is daily time frame as for me, and this is our last break of structure. This is our demand. Daily time frame mitigated, and this is our last break of structure. This is our last break of structure. This is our last break. This is our last. Uh, I think it's internal break of structure now. It's major on daily time frame. It's major. It's major. This is break of structure. This is the major break of structure. And what we are having now, this is our demand. And this demand is what that push the market up, but it's squeezed that. It does not give us break of structure. So let's see what is happening. This is another demand here. This is internal break of structure here. Internal break of structure. After this analysis, if I drop it on YouTube, definitely what I'm doing next is just learning. So or after I will learn what I'm learning from I will learn the chart again from YouTube. After learning again, I will just focus on my data analysis again because I'm still learning on data analysis. You guys, you know that one man, if poor man do not have where where to see source of income, you guys be focused on different place. So that is what I'm doing. So this is what is going to happen now. This is the last break of structure, and this you can see this serve as resistance here. You can see this serve as resistance here. As for me, this serve as minor resistance here. We are having resistance on what on daily time frame. So let's now move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 4 hour time frame. You can see this is resistance here. On 4 hours time frame, we are having support here. You can see we are having support over here. All those places are serve as liquidity. You can see market is in between the both. So we guys, if you want to take this trade, we guys be patient. But we can say this can push it up. We can say this. I said they are going to push it down, but market took me all down before. Market took me down before they saying that they are what they are said they are ready. So let's see what is happening now. This is liquidity. You can see this liquidity here. These are liquidity also. These are liquidity also. And we are having small FEG over there. We are having small FEG over there. Let's see this is our demand on 4 hour time frame. These are the main it's minor demand though, it's not major demand though. Minor demand. So this is what we are having. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour is trying to tell us. This is 1 hour time frame. And this is what we are having 1 hour time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure market level. And if you want to read this structure, we are seeing that trend on this structure. This is that trend. And on this is not valid for me because the market does not retraced 50%. So there is FEG over there, you can see. That is danger. That is danger zone for me. This is where we are looking for the FEG. This is the FEG. That place is danger zone for me, seriously. We are still selling the market again because this is the last break of structure, internal break of structure. And this will serve as liquidity because that retracement is not a valid retracement. Market does not retrace 50%. 50%, if market returns 50%, definitely we can say we are taking the set from here again. But as for now, we are buying, we are selling from this FEG. As for me, we are selling from this FEG again. So we are selling from this FEG again. So let's see if they've said if the seller can push it because this FEG we can see say 1:3 is okay. But since there is support here, let's see if the support is going to push here because this is support. So we are still selling the market from there. So this is what we are having on the forex. Okay, let's move to crypto. Let's see what's happening on crypto. Let's see what's happening on crypto. This is crypto. The BTC and Ethereum, they are not giving me. I think last week their structure is not, but on monthly time frame, these are key level. These are the key level on monthly time frame on BTC. These are the key level here. Let's move to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, this is the recent key level I'm looking for. I'm looking into. You can see this is the last break of structure. But on weekly time frame, we are not seeing. This is the last break of structure. This is where the market is. But what we are looking for, Oh, so let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is channel on. This is the daily time frame, this is the swing high and this swing low. This supply, this is the minor supply because it does not retrace at 50% seriously. I'm still expecting the market to break and to go and make this major supply. So what market is giving us this on daily time frame, this swing low has tested multiple times. That's not to what? That's not to support. This is the first one, this is the second one, it's supposed to support. So I'm expecting the market to come back here to what to give us uptrend. But what we are reading, let's read just read structure now. This is the internal break of structure, and this internal has deleted it. This is the entire break of structure. So let's see, these are supply now. You can see this is liquidity, this is our supply now. These are minor supply now. This is the minor supply now. And we are seeing what downtrend here. This is what we are seeing from what from daily time frame. I'm selling from here. This is where we are selling, and we are selling into year. This is where we are selling, but we cannot say where the market is going to when the market is going to sell, because this is you can say this is the swing high and this is the swing low here. Market is at 50%. Definitely that place is valid for us to sell the market again. And we are expecting the sell from here. The seller is going to enter from here, and we are a witch down. Fam. This is what we are looking for on BTC. We are still selling on BTC, but we do not know when the market is coming there to trigger our setup. So let's now move to I've used up to 1 hour 6 minutes. So let's quickly wrap up to 1 hour 10 minutes. So let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what is happening on Ethereum. Uh, Ethereum are also they are dropping, they are dropping both. So this is our swing high and this is our key level. You can see this is our key level here on monthly time frame. Let's move to week weekly key level. This is our weekly here. You can see this is our key level here over here. And this is the key level I'm still expecting the market to see drop. But let's see what the market is trying to do. But as for me, on daily time frame, you can see daily time frame is giving us key level here because there's FEG here, there's liquidity here, which market is going to sweat. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is telling us. This is daily time frame, and this is the manual supply market mitigated. So we are still looking for sell. This is the last break of structure. If you have $10 or $100, help your guy. Your guy still need capital. I'm in need of capital. Seriously, what I'm doing. I'm just doing it that since I'm seeing this opportunity, I gotta be doing it. So I should not let capital to kill me down. In case if capital come down, I will know that I've gained one or two things. I've know one or two things that this way I'm buying, this way I'm selling. But without capital, and I'm not checking the market. That's rubbish. That is rubbish. That's not improvement. So we are seeing supply here. We are seeing minus supply here. This is where we are selling again, and we are selling from here. This is where we are selling. And the reason why we guys be what should I say? We guys be patient because what market is giving us here, market is in this place, and this supply is the one that's giving us downtrend. So we guys be on 1 hour time frame we see if we see change of character on 1 hour, definitely we are taking it on. But this liquidity market is going to sweat before before continuing the uptrend. You can see before continuing the uptrend. This is what I'm saying. This is our skill level for me on weekly time frame, but I'm still expecting this set. So this is where we are selling. Since this is what I'm seeing on BTC and Ethereum, we are selling on BTC, we are selling on Ethereum. What gold is giving us is just gold is giving us another. Let's just say on 1 hour time frame. Let's see what gold is giving us on 1 hour time frame. This is where gold is giving us buy. If we can see the buy from this FEG, definitely we are buying on silver. Silver too is giving us buy. This is where we are buying on silver also. And US 30, what is US 30 is giving us? US 30 is giving us sell. Yes, it's giving us sell. No, USDT is giving us buy. This is where we are buying. This is where we are selling again on USDT since daily time frame is giving us sell. Let's move to uh, mm, GU. Pounds and dollar has given us is giving us what? Is giving us sell also. Uh, euro and dollars too is giving us what? EU. Yeah, euro and dollar is giving us sell also from here also. So this is what we are having. So GBP. GBP, USD, JPY, Euro and Japanese, they are giving us what they are giving us buy from here, but we guys be patient from what on 15 minute time. As I say that if you see change of character, definitely we are buying. But if you not see change of character, we are not buying seriously because we guys be patient for me. This minor demand on 4 hours time frame, and let's see what is happening on. Pounds and Japanese, they too is giving us sell. This is liquidities for me, and it's giving us sell. But let's see if the market is coming to this resistance and support before we can say any buy. So this is what I'm seeing from today. But market may not mitigated it may not started from here, but we are since we are doing our weekly time frame, our daily time frame, definitely we will see what market is trying to give us. So this is what I'm seeing in the market today. I pray this week is going to be a successful and profitable week for us, and we are going to be a successful person in life. So today is going to be our day. Today is going to be our day, and success is going to be uh, each and one of us, inshallah. So have a successful week ahead, and have a successful day ahead. Peace and love. Enjoy your beautiful day. Thanks. Once I forget, you already know my name is Abuji001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to see my video. Thanks, peace and love.